degree day here in Oklahoma. We're on our way to Jones Riverside Airport. We're going to be hitching a ride, just a real quick jump across the river, but we're going to be riding in a Robinson R44 helicopter. And it's been a long time since I've been in any kind of helicopter, so this will be interesting. It'll be a unique perspective, but we'll see you at the airport. Well, here we are. Can you tell it's windy?
Riverside Tower, information, Golf 19053 Zulu, wind 180 at 10, gust 17, visibility 10, few clouds at 5,500, temperature 35, 2.19er, altimeter 29er87.
Alright, we have Golf.
We're pulling her back. Appreciate it. System 26, lead me number 1, remain 19 left.
Alright, so we're doing a sprag clutch check here. We're looking for needles split out. And once they rejoin, we're going to re-increase RPM. So we got a good split. Now we're going to check the mags left and right. Right at 75%.
Riverside Tower, 153 with you.
Alright, acceptable drop and a little bit of a drop on both sides. We're going to go ahead and come up all the way back up on the RPM. The governor takes over at 80%. Now we're coming off the friction both sides.
And so flight 5, frequency change proof, Tulsa is 134.7 if you need them at safe flight.
A slight raising of the collective. And we're going to make sure we get lower order RPM and comes back off. That completes everything. We are 3 in the green, top of the arcs. We have no warning lights, and we have fuel to get over to the landing zone. No problem.
Inside a mile.
All right.
From a 19 left, clear for the option. 19 left, clear for Johnson, Sparkle 18.
That completes any final items. Good afternoon, Tower Helicopter November 41351, Jet Center information, Golf.
Helicopter 41351, Riverside Tower, where are you headed?
South takeoff for the east departure.
Helicopter 351, Roger, East Coast. Looks like there's a, I think I'm only seeing the nose. I guess King Air pulling out of the Christensen Jet Center ramp. Departure will be at your own risk and proceed towards the south. I'll call left turn.
All right, King Air's in sight. You have a left turn remaining east of, correction, west of Alpha. Helicopter 351.
Spartan 53, running 1 on a right for land. Well, whatever, actually, that's 153. 26-8 Alpha, off your right wing, you should see a 172 at about 1,100 north of the bridge on the straight in. Report him inside. Inside, 6-8 Alpha. I'm Mooney 6-8 Alpha, follow the Cessna 172, you number 2, runway 19 right, clear to land. 6-8 Alpha, number 2, clear to land, 19 right. Smart 16, you're following a Cessna on, correction, you're following a Cessna short final, runway 19 left, clear for the option.
19 left, clear for the option, traffic inside,
That's a 35 kilo, right at Alpha 3, contact ground.
Right at 3, contact ground, 35 kilos, thanks.
We're just maintaining, if anything, slightly right of the extension of Alpha, so we're well to the right of the 19 right departing traffic.
As soon as you're able to get across when the traffic you're following is over ORU, helicopter heads to your right, needs to go to the northeast.
All right, we'll wing up in the crosswind now, 26 limit.
Appreciate it. Helicopter 351, fly to eastbound.
Due eastbound, helicopter 351.
Helicopter 351, you get it in turn, you'll see a 152 in the left crosswind. They're going to be staying in the pattern. Report them inside.
Traffic inside for helicopter 351.
Helicopter 351, just stay on the outside of him and you can proceed direct.
My direct destination behind the inside traffic, helicopter 351.
I'll let you turn me at Smart 18.
Smart 18, hold short runway 19 right, remain this frequency.
I'll show on that.
King Air 57 Fox, staying over Riverside Tower, hold short runway 19 right.
Sure.
Smart 53, turn right at Alpha 3, then contact ground. Smart 18, cross runway 19 right, then contact ground, traffic Mooney, mile and a half final.
Alright, cross 19 right, then contact ground, Smart 18.
Pretty slow there, isn't he?
Yes, he is.
We're really gaining on him.
Well, he's trying to make it up the traffic pattern altitude.
The T6,
It's 100 degrees.
Short final, runway 19 left, clear for the option.
Traffic inside 19 left, clear for the option.
Helicopter 351, just let me know when you're landing assured.
All right, we can call it now. Landing assured, helicopter 351.
Appreciate it. Eight Alpha, turn right as soon as you're able. Hold short of Alpha, contact ground. 68 Alpha, contact ground. King Air 57 Foxtrot Tango, fly runway heading, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff. Runway heading, 19 right, clear for takeoff, 7 Foxtrot Tango.
I'll go ahead and park it over here because we were kind of letting people take pictures of this one yesterday.
Okay.
And I'm going to cheat and put it right in the shade.
Nicely done. Very nice.